Thank you, Tanya. Actually, my grandfather grew food in Roxbury, my dad in Dorchester, and both of my boys grow food as well. So let's all get together and get everybody growing food again in our communities. The neighborhoods of Roxbury, Dorchester, and Mattapan are wonderful places filled with great families with a true excitement for growing food and building a healthier community. We are so excited to do that. But we also suffer from some of the highest rates of food insecurity, obesity, heart disease, and unemployment. We lack access to fresh food, economic opportunity, and environmental justice as well. The mission at the Urban Farming Institute is to develop and promote urban agriculture to engage all of our residents in growing food and building that healthier community. Our motto is, we don't just grow food, we grow people. It all started with one of our founders, Glenn Lloyd, walking through Roxbury past vacant lots and wondering, why can't we transform these lots into productive growing spaces? And this is one of our lots at the Astoria Farm. And this is how we go about doing it. First, we start with land. And right now, we've got 7 different farm sites nestled into Roxbury, Dorchester, and Mattapan. So again, we start by land development. We obtain the lots and develop those beautiful, bountiful farm sites. Next, farm operations. We have a full farm enterprise team where we grow tasty tomatoes, crunchy kale, beautiful beets, and more to deliver to our local restaurants and also to our communities. We also have our farmer training program. It's for students and teens, and it's now in its 7th year. Next, community education. Workshops designed to engage our families and our residents in growing food. Now, if you really want to know the heart of what we do, let's learn a little bit about Chris Mabels. Chris was in his 30s. He had been formerly incarcerated. He was unemployed, and he had no plan. He graduated from us, the Farmer Training Program, in 2014, and I'm happy to say he went on to work for the Commonwealth Kitchen, a small food business incubator. He's been there for 4 years, and he's just received a wonderful promotion. But we have many more stories like that. Grantley, now at the Bowdoin Street Health Center. Tristram is our farm enterprise manager. And then there's Nataka. She's a farmer, and you would meet her today. She's a farmer, she's an educator, she's our operations manager, but what you don't know is that Nataka was actually homeless from the ages of 14 years old to the age of 22. And this is how we do what we do. You can come and volunteer with us for a day, or join us in July for our farm stand where we sell wonderful produce, and actually, you can learn how to cook it in our teaching kitchen. Want to join us for our workshop? You can join us for growing food without a garden, or food is medicine. Or how about our new program, Fit Around the Farm? You get an hour's worth of exercise, and then hands-on cooking in our new teaching kitchen. If you're a true farmer and gardener, in March of 2020, join us for our Urban Farming Conference. Now, we do all of this at the historic Fowler Clark Epstein Farm in Mattapan. Historic Boston and the Trust for Public Land banded together to help us restore this beautiful original house and original barn. So we do all of our programming from there. We grew over 16,000 pounds of food last year and worked with many of these local restaurants. They were our customers, and also food for our farm stands. We had 747 volunteers come and visit, and we hope all of you come and visit too. We also, in the last 6 years, have graduated 150 students from our farmer training program. So we are ready, and we are primed for growth at this point. We want to move our organization from a $688,000 organization to $1 million organization in 2021. This is how we'll do it. We want to increase our staff so that we can operate more farms, so that we can grow more food, so we can create a wider impact for the residents of Roxbury, Dorchester, and Mattapan. It's time for us to build capacity in our organization. We ask for a 2-year investment of $1.85 million. And we'd like to leave you with one more thing. We don't just grow food, we grow people. Thank you very much.